Let me show you how to make a mirror shine finish using water-based polyacrylic. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I bought this table and chairs off of Craigslist and I'm refinishing them. Let me show you where I'm at. This is the leaf of the table. The two sides are already sanded and painted, but what it is a particle board with some kind of laminate on top, and it has real wood on the sides. It's just been stained. So I've already sanded down the sides and the top on the two sides, not on this one, but on the two sides. And then I put this Rust-Oleum paint and primer gloss black on there. I put 3 coats of this on there, and then I followed it with this Minwax water-based polyacrylic. I'm going with the gloss here, so it'll be a nice finish. I will have both of those linked down below. So I'm starting off with 1000 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to wet sand it and go evenly with the grain of the table. This is what it looks like after the first round of 1000 grit. It took off a lot of the high spots. It's feeling pretty smooth. Took a lot of the bubbles out, so looking good. I'm going to keep going with the 2000 grit. So this is what it looks like after the 1000 grit. It's definitely a lot smoother. I've wiped it off, and I'm going to go up to 2500 and see what that does. This is where we're at after the 2000 grit sandpaper. It's a lot more smooth. It's got all the deep scratches out, the bubbles out. So now what we need to do is just make even smaller scratches to get that mirror shine. So what I picked up is some pumice stone. This is the 4F grade. It's very fine. It's like almost like powdered sugar or something like that. It's going to make very small scratches in here and then really bring out that shine. So here's a close-up look after the pumice stone powder was applied on here. It's very, very smooth now. You don't see any of the brush marks, no more air bubbles. I think it's time to put some polish on here and call it done. For this, I'm just using some basic car turtle wax to give it that nice shine. sanding with 1000, 2000, and 2500, and then finishing with the pumice stone powder. Looks really good. No bubbles, no brush marks, just nice shine. Let's put the hardware back on and see what it looks like. Guys, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and until next time. Alright guys, that's a wrap. This is the finished product. If you like it, like it.